Heather here. And you can hear Heather's Family Vlogs coming from Manny in the background. Because I'm pretty sure when I watch this on TV, we will hear him saying Heather's Family Vlogs. He over there slicker than a bitch. You see? He did it again.
Shiggity Bobby.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Alright,
Guys, I got something to show you. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Yup, Manny put up my curtain lights, y'all. Let me tell you, I've been having fun with this thing. Look, don't. And let me tell you, all of a sudden, my other lights over here are going by my voice. I did not do that like that. Oh, you want to say hi, Baba? Hi. But yeah, isn't this cool? I told you I had a surprise for y'all. What do y'all think? I love it. Oh, there goes the snake. It gets bigger and bigger. I love it. I could put Heather's Family Vlogs going across it. I just haven't downloaded the app yet. Damn, nigga. Can you push over? Okay. It's Heather and Bata Ghost Vlogs today. So, what we gonna speak on, son? He is a hot mess, y'all. He is. But he's my baby. He's a knucklehead. Yeah, that he is. Let's see what else we got up on here. It looks better in the dark. Let me see. Put up a little. You want to see? I gotta sneeze. Oh, it's killing my nose. Let's see. Oh, I gotta sneeze. But it's not gonna come out. Oh, son of a bitch. Give me a second, y'all. I gotta blow my nose. At least I warned y'all this time. Let's see what else we got. Oh, yeah, this thing comes with... Babe, how many things does this have?
Oh, a lot. Oh, let me see.
Oh, that's a heart. Oh.
Show them the app. Hold up.
You want to show them how you put my name across? And I can give you guys shout outs now on here. But, I'm trying to fix this some way, somehow I got tangled.
Is it on?
What?
Is it recording?
Yes.
See, look, it's an app. All right, guys, and you go to where it says gallery, and it comes with all these stuff on it. See, all that stuff in the gallery, all that, and it just keeps going. And then from the guy, then they got the picture ones. And it just keeps
pretty
going.
Cool.
And then it has this one, the cloud ones, you know. And there's a lot of varieties of things.
You can put Heather's Family Vlogs going across.
Or you can just do it yourself. See, I did it. See Heather's Family going across like that. You know, you can do it like that too. You know, go different ways.
It's pretty cool. I got the heart up there right now. Might as well leave the heart there because, you know, Valentine's Day is coming in a couple weeks. So, let's talk, y'all. Ginger has to be heard, like always. Anyway, the refrigerator guy just left. He said we do need a new refrigerator. He said do not go grocery shopping. Duh. I think we already know that. We lost a whole fridge of food. Ain't nothing we can do, and ain't nobody gonna help us either, you know, and it's fucked up and wrong on every aspect, but why is this sticking together? There we go. But yeah, we're pretty much fucked up and fucked until they bring us a new refrigerator and take this one out. Go figure, right? It'll be a couple weeks, before we do get a fridge. How long it took us to get the oven? Like 9 years. But we've been eating out every day, you know, buying stuff from the grocery store and cooking it here. It's a waste of my cash, to tell you the truth. You know. And I just think it's bullshit. This happens to us all the time in this apartment. Right or wrong? When we moved here, we had no fridge. It blew out, and we didn't get a fridge for months. Then we got another fridge, and it went out again. Nobody gave us money or anything like that for us to be able to get you know, food. They don't help you out here. And either does welfare, so it doesn't help, you know. Oh, thank you, Papa. But I wanted to let y'all know because a lot of you were asking how you know, what's going on about the refrigerator on yesterday's video. That's what's going on. He just left. Said, yeah, you need a new fridge. So, I gotta wait to get a new one. So, but if anybody would like to help us, my PayPal and my Cash App link is in my about. So, anything is grateful. It's bullshit, but hey, what can I do? Anyway, enough about that. I was so excited to show you guys the lights. It takes up the whole wall, literally. It's pretty cool. I love it. But, if you guys want merch, I am going to be starting the new Valentine's merch. It's only going to be up for like a couple weeks. So get it while it's hot. Get in touch with me on Instagram, Messenger, or down below. Please tell your family and friends to like, subscribe, share. Follow me literally on everything. Remember, hit that notification bell when you want to be notified when I put up my brand new videos. I absolutely love you. Peace. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye. God bless.